So today, you'll learn how to uninstall an app on your OnePlus 13. So uninstalling an app is just allows you to create more space on your OnePlus because it will delete all the app details and data that you've collected, or it can just clear your phone out of clutter if you don't no longer want it. So when it comes to uninstalling an app, the first thing is to actually locate the app. So you want to look for the app you want to uninstall. So for example, I want to uninstall Spotify. So the next step, once you've located the app, is to long press on the app icon like this. Then once you've done that, you should see this uninstall icon. Uninstall option. So just want to tap on it like that. Then you want to confirm that you wish to uninstall that app. And bear in mind that app data, including files and settings, will be permanently deleted from this device. And then just tap on uninstall to confirm. Once you've done that, the app icon should disappear from your screen, and that means you've successfully uninstalled it. So let's try that with another app. So Pinterest, I can long press on the app icon like that. Then select uninstall, tap on uninstall to confirm, and then it will be deleted from my device. You'll notice some apps you won't be able to actually uninstall. So for example, the Google Files app, if you want to remove it from your device, you won't be able to. Because every time you long press on the app icon like this, you don't see this uninstall option, which means you can't actually uninstall it, even if you already have the My Files app added onto your device. So if you want to uninstall another Google service, you bear in mind that that might actually happen. You won't be able to actually uninstall it. So the only apps that you will be able to uninstall are installed apps that you've personally added. Things like Opera browser. Whenever I try to uninstall it, I can just scroll down and select uninstall. But something like Google Messages, I won't be able to. So that's how you can uninstall apps on your OnePlus 13. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.